Whether you're an experienced snowboarder, a skier looking for fresh powder, or just dreaming of a winter getaway, this guide is for you. Today, we're diving into some of the best snowy destinations for ski and snowboard lovers worldwide. Let's hit the slopes together. Skiing and snowboarding are about more than just the sport. They're also about the atmosphere. From cozy alpine villages to state-of-the-art resorts, there's something for everyone. Let's explore some destinations known for their snow, scenery, and unforgettable experiences. We'll start in Europe, home to some of the most iconic ski destinations. The French Alps, with resorts like Chamonix and Val d'Isère, offer a mix of challenging slopes and beautiful après-ski settings. If you're after dramatic scenery, Zermatt in Switzerland is a must-visit. The Matterhorn serves as the perfect backdrop while you navigate some of Europe's highest altitude runs. For a more laid-back experience, Austria's St. Anton combines traditional alpine charm with excellent ski terrain. And if you want something quieter, head to Andorra in the Pyrenees, where smaller resorts cater to families and beginners. Across the Atlantic, North America offers something for every snow lover. In Canada, Whistler Blackcomb is a favourite for its sheer size and variety of runs, not to mention the lively Whistler Village. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll find a trail that suits your skills. Moving south, the Rocky Mountains in Colorado are a treasure trove for skiers and snowboarders alike. Destinations like Aspen and Vail are famous for their well-maintained slopes and luxurious accommodations. Prefer a quieter vibe? Head to Breckenridge or Steamboat Springs, where the atmosphere feels a bit more relaxed, but no less thrilling. Asia might not be the first place you think of for skiing, but it's home to some fantastic destinations. Japan's Niseko is known for its light, powdery snow, making it a favourite among snowboarders. The area also offers hot springs, known as onsens, where you can relax after a day on the slopes. South Korea's Yongpyong Resort, which gained recognition during the Winter Olympics in 2018, combines great skiing with modern facilities. It's a great spot for those looking for something different, with a mix of cultural experiences and snowy adventures. If you're up for exploring off the beaten path, consider the Southern Hemisphere. In New Zealand, resorts like Cardrona and Coronet Peak offer skiing with stunning views of the Southern Alps. Or try Chile's Valle Nevado, where you can enjoy the Andes Mountains during the Northern Hemisphere's summer. Eastern Europe also has some hidden gems, like Bansko in Bulgaria and Poiana Brașov in Romania. These destinations are affordable and offer a mix of good skiing and cultural experiences. Before heading out, it's essential to prepare. Make sure you have the right gear for your skill level, check weather conditions, and book your accommodations early, especially for popular destinations. If you're new to skiing or snowboarding, consider taking lessons. It's worth the investment for a safe and enjoyable experience. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or looking to unwind in a winter wonderland, there's a snowy destination waiting for you. From the towering Alps to the Rockies and beyond, each location offers something special. So, which destination will you explore next? Thanks for joining me, James from Haswings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. See you on the next adventure.